The Three Birds and Their Lost Jackets by Cesar S. Martin. There were once three birds named Sotro, Sabo, and Salao. Sotro was looking for his jacket. He cried, "Where is my jacket?" Sotro went to Sabo's place. Then he asked him, "Have you seen my jacket?"
No, my jacket is missing too, Sabo replied. Let's ask Salao.
At Salo's place, Sotro and Sabo asked him, "Have you seen our jackets?" Salo replied,
No, my jacket is missing too since yesterday.
The three birds went to the playground to find their jackets. Sotro shouted, "Oh no! Saltok is holding our jackets!" Salo said,
Let's go and tell Sir.
while going back to their place, Sotro shouted, "Saltok is a thief! I don't like him!"
Yes, he is. We will not trust him anymore,
said Sabo and Salao. In the afternoon, the three birds went to see Sir Soto. They said, "Sir, Saltok is holding our lost jackets. Please help us get them back." "Do you have your classmates' jackets?" asked Sir Soto.
Yes, sir,
said Saltok.
my classmates left their jackets after playing outside our house. I thought of giving them back this afternoon.
Sir Soto asked Saltok to tell what happened to the three birds' jackets before giving them back. "Thank you for giving back our jackets," said the three birds.
You're welcome, my friends,
replied Saltok. The birds came closer with each other.
We are sorry for what we thought about you,
said Sabo.
It's all right,
replied Saltok.
Please, just don't do it again.
Sir Soto asked the three birds to tell what they learned from their lost jackets.
Sir, I have to be careful with my things,
said Sabo. Sotro added, "Let's also be careful with the words we say to others."
Yes, that's true,
Salo replied. The following morning, the birds decided to play. They placed their jackets on the ground. Sotro said, "Let's not forget to get our jackets later,"
Yes, that's right,
replied Salo and Sabo. After an hour, the birds rested. Sotro said, "I was so wrong when I said that Saltok was a thief." Sabo and Salo replied,
We won't do it again. We should learn from our mistakes.
The three birds went home happily with their jackets. "Please help me complete the graphic organizer. Thank you." Moral lesson: we stop ourselves from jumping to conclusion without even getting all the facts.